So, what are the differences between fictional narratives and informational text? Let's see this Venn diagram to understand it. So we have in here three different colors: yellow, green, and blue. So in the yellow one, we have first the informational text. In this case, the title is Caterpillar to Butterfly. So in here, it means we are going to communicate real facts, real pictures, and our intention is to inform to the reader about real information, something that is true. Then, in the blue square, we have fictional narrative. The example in this title is Buddy, Butterfly, and His Cousin. So what happened in here? We have fiction is a story, so we have characters, a setting, a problem, a solution, a resolution, and in here we have a dialogue, so that's why these insects talk each other. And what is the intention in this case? Entertains the reader. But besides the differences that exist in this informational text and fictional narrative, we have something in common. What is it? Let's see the green box. Here we have pictures that support the text. So we can, of course, take pictures into account for informational text and fictional narratives. Thanks for watching. Let's go to the next step.